Start by prepping the cable. An important step to prepping the cable when you want to install a 3M mechanical shear bowl 2-hole lug QL2 series is making sure you wire brush the aluminum conductors. Before you install the lug, you need to check that the bolts are not removed from the lug body and grease is present. Now it's time to install the 3M mechanical shear bowl 2-hole lug QL2 series. Start by checking that the bolts do not protrude into the lug bore, followed by hand tightening all bolts onto the conductor. Now it's time to shear the bolts. To help remove any debris or grease, clean the surface of the 3M mechanical shear bowl 2-hole lug QL2 series with 3M cleaning solvent CC series. After the 3M cleaning solvent CC series has dried, apply the 3M aluminum foil tape around the lug until it covers the bolt wells with a second layer. Press down the ends of 3M aluminum foil tape at the final edge and near the lug tapers. And that's how you install 3M mechanical shear bowl 2-hole lug QL2 series.